Gartner defines data integration as a discipline comprising the practices, architectural techniques, and tools that allow organizations to ingest, transform, combine, and provision data across various data types. The report further explains that data integration has several usage scenarios, such as data consistency across applications, master data management, data sharing between enterprises, and data migration and consolidation. In the field of analytics and data science, data integration includes accessing, queuing, or extracting data from operational systems, transforming and merging extracted data either logically or physically, data quality and governance, and delivering data through an integrated approach for analytics purposes. For example, to make customer data available for analytics, you would need to extract individual customers' information from operational systems such as sales, marketing, and finance. You would then need to provide a unified view of the combined data so that your users can access, query, and manipulate this data from a single interface to derive statistics, analytics, and visualizations. How does a data integration platform relate to ETL and data pipelines? While data integration combines disparate data into a unified view of the data, a data pipeline covers the entire data movement journey from source to destination systems. In that sense, you can use a data pipeline to perform data integration, while ETL is a process within data integration. There is no one approach to data integration. However, modern data integration solutions typically support the following capabilities: an extensive catalog of pre-built connectors and adapters that help you connect and build integration flows with a wide variety of data sources such as databases, flat files, social media data, APIs, CRM, and ERP applications. Open source architecture that provides greater flexibility and avoids vendor lock-in. Optimization for both batch processing of large-scale data and continuous data streams, or both. Integration with big data sources. Support for big data is increasingly driving the decision regarding choice of integration platforms. Additional functionalities. For example, specific demands around data quality and governance, compliance, and security. Portability, which ensures that as businesses move to cloud models, they should be able to run their data integration platforms anywhere. And data integration tools are able to work natively in a single cloud, multi-cloud, or hybrid cloud environment. There are many data integration platforms and tools available in the market, ranging from commercial off-the-shelf tools to open-source frameworks. IBM offers a host of data integration tools targeting a range of enterprise integration scenarios, such as InfoSphere Information Server, Cloud Pak for data, IBM Cloud Pak for integration, IBM Data Replication, IBM Data Virtualization Manager, IBM InfoSphere Information Server on Cloud, and IBM InfoSphere Data Stage. Talon's data integration tools include Talon Data Fabric, Talon Cloud, Talon Data Catalog, Talon Data Management, Talon Big Data, Talon Data Services, and Talon Open Studio. SAP, Oracle, Denodo, SAS, Microsoft, Kulik, and Tibco are some of the other vendors that offer data integration tools and platforms. Examples of open-source frameworks include Dell Boomi, Jitterbit, and SnapLogic. There are a significant number of vendors who are offering cloud-based integration platform as a service, or iPaaS, as a hosted service via virtual private cloud or hybrid cloud, such as the Adeptia Integration Suite, Google Cloud's Cooperation 534, IBM's Application Integration Suite on Cloud, and Informatica's Integration Cloud. The data integration space continues to evolve as businesses embrace newer technologies and as data grows, be it in the variety of sources or its use in business decision-making.